So, ayan guys, magbabasa tayo kung ano yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ng person mo. Comment down below kung naka-resonate. We will be together again, eh? You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Alright, sarap naman. The best feeling. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Siguro ko meron siyang past person. Ayan. Or kailangan niya talagang mamili. I don't react when people mention you. Nananahimik siya. Pero kinikilig. So, very romantic feelings, guys. Ayan. Ito pa nga. Hinahanap ko daw niya kahit saan. Ayan, guys. I hid who I really am from you. I replay our conversation over and over. Sabi ng person mo, guys, hindi na daw siya available. Aray mo. Pero mahal ka niya. Ayan. I love you unconditionally. Nagsasabi ko. I hide behind material things. Meron siyang mga bagay, tao, sitwasyon na tinatago sa'yo. Alamin mo. Secret. Gusto mong malaman? Surprise. You speak to me through music. So, parang feeling niya dinadaan na lang sa music. I wish things could be different. So, yun lang guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. I want to tell you how I feel. I regret lying to you. Siguro, yun nga. Tinatago niya. Siguro nga, tinatago niya. Kasi nagsinungaling siya sa'yo. So, meron siyang tinatago. So, kailangan niya magsinungaling talaga. I know I was a distraction from your pain. So, siguro kung nasaktan ka rin talaga niya. I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, feeling ko